Welcome to our deep dive video, where we explore the fascinating and complex case of David Lozano Camargo. This case not only highlights the challenges within immigration proceedings, but also raises considerable questions about asylum seekers' rights and the legal and ethical dimensions involved. In this video, we'll cover various aspects of David Lozano Camargo's case, starting with his background, moving to his detention, and the legal concerns it presents. We will dive into what defines an asylum claim and the concept of due process. Additionally, we'll discuss how prior convictions impact immigration decisions and end with the controversies and debates surrounding this case. Let's begin by setting the stage with some background. David Lozano Camargo is a 20-year-old who has been convicted for drug possession twice in the United States. Despite these convictions, he has a credible asylum claim supported by a court order that prevents his deportation while his asylum case is under review. David Lozano Camargo was reportedly sent to a detention facility known as CECOT, which has sparked concerns due to the serious condition reports coming from the facility. This leads to questions about the fairness and legality of putting someone with a pending asylum case into such a facility. The case of David Lozano Camargo exemplifies the conflict between immigration laws, asylum seekers' rights, and how prior criminal convictions can complicate matters. While international and national laws protect asylum seekers, the presence of prior convictions often muddies the waters. It's quiz time. Let's see what you've learned so far. What is a key requirement for a credible asylum claim? Is it a valid ID, a well-founded fear of persecution, or a permanent job offer? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is a well-founded fear of persecution. This is crucial, as asylum claims must be supported by this evidence to be considered credible. Due process is an essential part of legal proceedings, ensuring that individuals are treated fairly under the law. Key elements of due process include the right to a hearing, where a person can make their case, the right to present evidence to support their claims, and the right to legal representation to help navigate these complex procedures. Prior convictions, especially those relating to severe crimes, can play a significant role in immigration proceedings. They might lead to deportation or the denial of asylum claims. The impact of such convictions heavily depends on the severity of the offense and the immigration laws of the country in question. The situation raises significant controversies and debates. One key question is whether prior convictions should automatically disqualify individuals from seeking asylum. While some argue for automatic disqualification, especially for drug-related offenses, others advocate for a case-by-case evaluation. Additionally, the treatment and conditions in detention facilities like CECOT pose ethical and humanitarian questions. In conclusion, the case of David Lozano Camargo underscores the complexities within the immigration law framework. It highlights the importance of due process and the rights of asylum seekers. However, it also emphasizes the need for carefully balancing legal, ethical, and humanitarian considerations to ensure fair treatment and justice. Thank you for watching this insightful video on the case of David Lozano Camargo. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and feel free to leave your thoughts or any questions in the comments below.